Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be going into the Flawless Ivy Brow Gel, and I'm going to be picking that with my brush, and I'll just apply that all over my crease. This will serve as a base for the black eyeshadow I'll be using, and this also help my eyeshadow last a lot longer. So as I'm applying this gel, I'm also blending it as I go. I also stayed away from pushing this product all the way to the inner corners of my eyes because I don't want the black in that area to be so much when I'm blending it. Okay, then next I'm going to be picking up a dark eyeshadow from my Lydia Stanley X Decal eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using that to set all over the brow gel, still keeping that color in my crease area. Okay, so you don't want to take the brown color all the way too close to your brow bone, because by the time you start blending, that'll be a lot of black to work with, and that doesn't look flattering unless that's the look you're going for. Okay, next I'm going to be blending out the edges of that black with the brown shades I just pick up from my powder palette. You can use a brown shade from your eyeshadow, but I'm going to be using this one from my powder palette, and I'm just using that to blend out the edges of the black eyeshadow I applied earlier. So I'm just going to be blending out the edges and also pushing it into the contour of my nose. If you guys observe, I'm not blending all the way to my brow bone because I don't want a lot of color in that area. Okay, so I'm just going to continue blending out the edges and also blending it into my nose contour, and somewhat blending it upwards to almost the beginning of my brows, as you guys will see in a minute. But yeah, that's like basically what I did. It's a black eyeshadow look and it can be very intense if you're not careful. So I still wanted the black, but I wanted it wearable. I wanted it soft. So picking up those two shades, I'm just going to use that to blend out the brown and just make everything seamless and well blended. Okay. At this point, I alternated between the two brushes until I was satisfied with the amount of blending I had achieved. So you can stop at this point because as you can see, we've achieved a beautiful blend. Okay, but I just want to add a bit more black to my lid just because I lost some of the colors while blending. Be careful not to take this all the way up and create a harsh line. Okay, so I'm just going to be focusing that on just my lid. Okay, and there you have it. Beautiful. I'm just going to go ahead and do the other parts of my eyes, and I'll leave you guys to watch. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. Thank you for always stopping by. And if it's your first time here, you're super duper welcome. Do how to join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Also turn on post notification and select all. That way you get notified every time I upload a video on here, which is on a daily basis. Okay, I'm Chinonso Okoronkwo, a Lagos Nigerian based hairstylist, makeup artist and fashion enthusiast, and on this channel I film about all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. And there you have it, very beautiful I love it. I love it. Next, I'm going to be going in with a black eye pencil. I'm just going to use that to line my waterline and the lower part of my lid. Picking up a brown shade from the same palette, I'm just going to use that to smoke out the edges of that black that I had applied.
I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave. Had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things. What could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing. And if you ain't...
And that's it, you guys. A very beautiful, simple, classy eyeshadow look in a matter of minutes. I love it. So I went ahead and finished the rest of my face off camera. Don't worry, you guys, I filmed it, okay? And it will be up on my channel pretty soon. A very quick get ready with me video, very fast, okay? So this is what the eye is looking like right now. What do you guys think? I like this look. I like the look. Like a black eyeshadow look is a hit anytime, okay? It's a hit anytime. I absolutely like the look. I like that I'm able to achieve this in few very simple steps that anybody can adopt. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you found it helpful. Hope the steps are simple enough for you to follow, okay? Because that's the whole essence of this video. Easy steps that you can follow and achieve same result, if not better, okay? If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and do the needful. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in the video after this one that will pop up anytime soon, okay? And until then, stay blessed and stay fab.